Hi, I'm back today. New topic, new solution bank. Geometry. Pythagoras Baba ki jai. Yes, hypotenuse wala. Hypotenuse square, base square plus height square, provided it is right angle triangle. Right? Let us start. Yeah, again same part. 1 mark question, 2 marks question, part 1, 3 marks question, part 2, and next will be the rest part. Okay, so like this we are going to complete in 3 parts. Chalo, Pythagoras Baba ki jai. Let us start. Be ready with your notebook, be ready with your pencil, and yes, it's me. Start. Yeah, is it clear? Very good. No, okay, I will adjust the camera so that it will clear. Yes, side of a rectangle is 12 and its diagonal is 20, and find another side. Okay, now rectangle is given. First of all, we have to draw rectangle. This is rectangle. Side is given as 12 and diagonal is given as 20. This is right angle because it is a rectangle, right? Pythagoras Baba ki jai. Hypotenuse square, base square plus height square. What is hypotenuse? 20 square. Base is 12 square. Height we don't know. 20 square 400. 12 square 144. It's square, right? But square का concept तो standard 10th में I will not tell. 12 into 12, 20 into 20. By default, everybody has learned till 30. I hope so, right? We have taken many times. Yes, 400 subtract. This will go there. Place badla to sign badla. Correct? After subtracting, what will I get? 256. Now 256, find the square root. H equals to 16. Correct. Sorry, the answer is 16. Option is D. This is my answer. Okay, now moving to next question. Length of the diagonal of a square. Now square came. All sides are congruent, Baba. And the length of the diagonal is given as root 2. This is given as root 2. Find the side of a square. As all of you know, the sides of a square are congruent and each angle is 90 degree. Again same. Hypotenuse square, base square plus height square. See, I have assumed x and x because both are same. X square plus x square. What is hypotenuse? Root 2 का square. Root 2 का square मतलब 2. X square 2x square. 2 cancels. X square equals to nothing means 1. X equals to 1. Done. So the answer is 1. Correct? If you want, you can take a snapshot. Okay. Yes. Now moving to next question. The diagonal of a rhombus are 60 and 80. Rhombus आ गया. Rhombus, all sides are congruent but the shape looks like this. Diagonals are given 60 and 80. देखो 80 है वो greater diagonal and 60 है that is a smaller diagonal. So if this is 80, this will be half. 80 divided by 2, that is 40. If this is 60, it is 60 divided by 2, that is 30. So this will be 40, 40. This will be 30, 30. And this is always perpendicular. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now again apply same. Hypotenuse square, base square, height square. Hypotenuse we don't know. I will write as it is. Base. What is base? Anything you can take, 40 or 30. 40 square and height is 30 square. 40 square 1600, 30 square 900, that comes to 2500, and you have to find a square root, that is 50. Correct? So my answer is 50. My option is this. Okay? Next, if sides of a triangle, now this is triangle and the sides are given ABC and A square plus B square equal to C square, which type of triangle it is? Pythagoras lesson hai, and they are asking ki which type of triangle. It is always right angled triangle. No doubt, it is always right angled triangle, since this is Pythagoras lesson. 90 हो तो ही ये सब कुछ होता है, otherwise not. Next question. AB equals to 6 root 3, AC equals to 12, BC equals to 6. Find angle A. Now I will draw this ABC. AB equals to 6 root 3, AC equals to 12 and BC equals to 6. Find angle A. Now I have drawn this diagram just roughly. Actually, this diagram should not be this by observing these numbers. It has to be right angle triangle. Okay, and this will be the hypotenuse, which is bigger one, making a big cross here because this diagram connected to Pythagoras, so we have to draw like this. Now this is given as 6 and this is given as 6 root 3. AB 6 root 3, AC that is 12. Okay, find angle A. So we have to find this angle. This is given as 12 and this is 6, that is half of that. Okay, so this will be 30, 60, 90 theorem. 30, 60, 90 theorem. What is that theorem? K, if this is opposite, if this is hypotenuse is 12, if this is 6, matlab this is half of this, then this angle has to be 30. So angle A has to be 30 degree by 30, 60, 90 triangle. No need to solve anything. No need to solve. Okay. Next, the diagonal of a square is 10 root 2. Find its perimeter. Square diagonal. Diagonal is given as 10 root 2. We have to find this, we have to find this, and we have to find the perimeter. Okay. Now, okay. Same formula. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. What is hypotenuse? 10 root 2 ka square. What is base? X square plus x square. Now see how to write 10 square. 10 square is 1000 and root 2 ka square, that is 2. X square, 2 x square. Now this 2 cancel with this 2. So x equals to 100. X square equals to 100. X equals to 10. Yeah. Don't be in a hurry to mark here, because perimeter is asked. Perimeter equals to, कुछ बच्चे डायरेक्ट 10 आए तो चलो ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं, immediately they mark it. Now it cannot be. You have to write 4 into sides, right? That is 40. I am not writing formula because this is a multiple choice question, right? Switching over to next 11th. Which of the following date is Pythagorean triplet? Which is Pythagorean triplet? Okay, this is Pythagorean triplet. You can apply Pythagoras formula and see. Okay, next, in a right angle triangle, perpendicular sides are 24